My video is about getting rid of the ransomware called Alvaro. Alvaro is the ransomware that is able to considerably damage the files that users store on their hard drives. My video, though, is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on your files and will give you some recommendations on how to protect your files. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your files without troubles. But regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Alvaro ransomware may be easily injected. So after it gets injected, it starts encrypting the files and damaging the files considerably. Because of that, the files would be no longer accessible. As you can now clearly see, some moment you are still able to open the files, but then because of this Alvaro ransomware, very soon the files are inaccessible. You can locate some malicious processes in the task manager, and these processes are definitely related to this Alvaro ransomware. So it's a good idea that you terminate them ahead of time if you find any of such suspicious processes on your computer. But it may be too late. And the ransomware may still perform its malicious job on the computer. It may infect the files and it may then damage the files, and then the files are no longer available. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, I strongly urge you not to do that, not to pay the ransom, because there is no guarantee that if you pay the ransom that you would get your files restored. So if you pay that ransom, you may simply waste your money. So don't pay the ransom and don't waste your money. I recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com, and to download Combo Cleaner you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser. Go to the page combocleaner.com through Internet Explorer, download it, install it, and start researching the system. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. Let me emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt the files. It helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the data, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files. So, anti-ransomware feature in Combo Cleaner helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their locations. We recommend that you upgrade to Premium. You can request for the trial. And also, speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more detailed information on how to possibly restore and recover your data that got previously damaged and encrypted by this ransomware.